In today's video, we'll discuss safe thawing methods for baby food, prioritizing your baby's health and well-being. Thawing frozen baby food correctly preserves its nutritional value and ensures safety. Let's explore the best practices. Number 1. The safest method is gradual thawing in the refrigerator. Transfer frozen baby food from the freezer to the refrigerator a day before use. A slow thawing maintains a safe temperature range, minimizing bacterial growth and preserving food quality. Number 2. Avoid room temperature thawing or hot water thawing. These methods create a breeding ground for harmful bacteria and can lead to foodborne illnesses. Uneven thawing affects baby food quality and safety. Number 3. Single serving portions. Freeze baby food in a single serving portions for easy and effective thawing. Thaw only what your baby needs for one meal, reducing waste and ensuring freshness. Repeated freezing and thawing alter textures and taste. Number 4. Defrosting in a cold water. For quick thawing, use the cold water method. Submerge frozen baby food in a sealed plastic bag in a cold water. Change water every 30 minutes until fully thawed. This maintains safety while speeding up the process. Microwave thawing, only a last resort. Microwave thawing should be a last resort due to uneven heating and nutrient loss. If necessary, use the defrost setting or a low power, and check the temperature frequently to prevent overheating. Follow the best practice for safe baby food thawing. Prioritize gradual refrigerated thawing or use cold water method if time is limited. Your baby will enjoy safe and nutritious meals. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.